If you've ever felt like you disappear around other people, like your needs go quiet the moment someone else enters the room, this tapping is for you. Hi, I'm Jill, and this tapping goes alongside my video on the invisible child. So if you haven't seen that yet, you might want to start there for a bit more context. Today, I'm going to guide you through a short EFT tapping. Now, tapping is a simple, effective way to calm the nervous system, helping you move from a familiar sense of overwhelm or disconnection into something more steady and grounded. And it can also begin to loosen some of the deeper patterns tied to the invisible child role. So you can start showing up for yourself, not just the version of you that learned to stay quiet or to stay unseen. And if you'd like more videos on childhood roles and the tapping that goes alongside them, please subscribe so you don't miss what comes next. Before we begin, I'm going to take a moment to ask you to check in on a scale of 0 to 10, 0 being I feel totally fine to 10. Oh, how strong are your feelings just now? Where are you, 0 to 10? Okay, remember that number. I'm going to just quickly show you the tapping points. The first one is on the side of the hand. Just line your fingers up and tap. It's as simple as that. And the next one is at your eye, where your eyebrow starts, the inside of your eye. Just take 2 fingers. Then we go to the side of the eye, under the eye, under the nose, under the chin, collarbones. You see where your collarbones come down in a V? Go towards the middle. Come down 1/2 inch till you find a wee hollow or a bit softer bit. That's it. And you can just tap on there. Have you got it? And then under your arm, 2 or 3 inches below your armpit, or if you wear a bra, it's where the band of your bra is. And finally, top of the head, round in circles. So that's the points. So what I'm going to ask you to do is just to tap where I tap and say what I say. And if you're ready, we'll begin now. Side of the hand. Even though I feel invisible sometimes, like my needs don't really matter, I deeply and completely accept myself. Even though I learned to stay quiet, to not take up space, I honor how hard that's been. Even though part of me still feels unseen, I choose to be here with myself right now. Okay, we're going to just go on to the eyebrow. I feel invisible. Side of the eye. Like I don't fully exist sometimes. Under the eye. Like my needs don't matter. Under the nose. I learned to stay quiet. Chin. To not ask for too much. Collarbones. To not take up space. Under the arm. That became my way of being. Go to top of the head. And it still lives in me. Okay. I'm going to just go back to the karate chop point on the side of the hand. Even though it felt safer to stay invisible, to not need too much. I understand why I learned this. Even though part of me is afraid to be seen, I meet that part with compassion. Even though I learned to disconnect from myself, I'm open to gently reconnecting. Okay, and going to go back up to the eyebrow. It felt safer to stay quiet. Side of the eye. Safer not to need too much. Under the eye. Safer not to be seen. Under the nose. Because being seen didn't feel safe. Chin. So I stopped expressing myself. Collarbones. I stopped asking for what I needed. Under the arm. I learned to disappear. Top of the head. And that made sense back then. Okay. Back to the side of the hand just for our last round. I'm allowed to have needs. I'm allowed to take up space. I'm open to being seen. Gently and at my own pace. I choose to reconnect with myself. One small step at a time. I'm gonna go to the eyebrow. I'm allowed to be seen. Side of the eye. I'm allowed to exist fully. Under the eye. My needs matter. Under the nose. My voice matters. Chin. I don't have to disappear anymore. I can stay present with myself. Under the arm. I can learn to trust myself. Top of the head. I am here and I matter. When you're ready, just let your hands drop and take a slow breath in. As you exhale, just notice how you feel and check in with that number. Has it gone down? And remember, you can just redo this. It sometimes takes a few rounds to really start to regulate the nervous system. And not to force anything, just to develop a gentle awareness that you are here. And maybe you're just a little bit more connected than before. And you are seen. Thanks for tapping along with me. And I look forward to seeing you next time. Bye-bye for now.